Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Bitcoin miner app error code 30. The error reads, "Our system has detected an issue. To resolve this, please submit a ticket." As per our research, the error comes when users try to withdraw their earnings from the app. Some users have shared that the issue appears randomly and prevents the withdrawal process. According to our research, this error is likely caused when the game fails to sync properly with the server. It may also happen due to unstable internet or app glitches. First, check your wallet. There are chances that the withdrawal already went through even if the error appeared. Also, this issue seems to be random, so there's no guaranteed fix. But one thing that might help is to keep playing for a few more minutes before closing the game after you initiate a withdrawal. If the error continues, just keep playing and earning SATs. The issue usually fixes itself after some time. Just make sure your internet connection is stable during this time. You can also click the email button on the error message and submit a ticket. The developers usually get it fixed once they receive the report. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.